Hello, welcome. And today we will talk about the image transformer in Kustomize. Image in a Kustomize lets you change container image without touching your YAML file. No patches, no editing deployments files, only change in the customized YAML. Think of like a search and replace for the container images. So where the image is located. You already seen that image is located under the template section inside the container. So if this image is means for example, this image is Nginx 179. So whatever the name section will match this section means before this column or sometime it is replaced with here you will find this arrow with at the red symbol. So this content will match with the name property and then the tag or whatever the thing needed changes. So we'll check the demo of all four files. So there are four ways you can change the means the things you can change. So you can change the image tag. So you can change the image tag. So what is the image tag? So here is the image tag. So this, so this is the image tag. Okay. And then second is here the 179. Suppose this is the tag. So if the tag is something else, so you can change the tag also. Then change the image name. So you can change the image name. So if the image name is suppose something like this my demo app. So suppose this is the image. A new name is now. So this image name will be changed to the new means suppose this is the image my app. So I already told you that this this will match and then a new image will be formed. So this name is this property. This should match with this. So I'll draw some section here. So this is to be matched with this. Then only it will change to my app. So after that the new image whatever you will find that you will find this app, this new image, because here image is changing and new name of that image is my app. So my app is changing, not the tag. So you can change the tag and name both together to change the name and tag together. So you can change the name and tag together. If suppose the image is Postgres, suppose this image is Postgres 8 and then so the new name and the new name is this and the tag, if you want to tag change the tag also, so you can add one more property here. So you can write a new tag. So the next image which would be formed would be this. So we'll change the image and the last one is we can replace the tag with the digest number. So if suppose the image is this, we replace the tag with the digest number and this is the immutable. So if the image is this, Alpine V7. So you should provide the whatever the SH latest tag and this will be created. The new image would be so let's do the demo for all the change image tag, change image name, change name and tag together and replace the highest with the digest. Okay. So we'll create a four YAML file different and we'll create a one S3 customized file and then we'll like together. So this is the first deployment YAML, first deployment.yaml. Here we'll change the tag to this. Here we'll change tag to new tag. Okay. And then we'll so first we'll do this. So create a so we'll create cd neo and mkdir neo cd neo then dpl.yml. So paste and escape wq. So here we'll create a customization.yml. So I'll paste images means resources is first YAML. So I will do one thing. I'll team up this. So now I'll bi customization.yaml and control B plus bi cat deployment.yaml. So here this image is changes with this tag. So the name is matched. Here the name this is not matched. This could be anything. Okay. So this will match. The name is Nginx. So here Nginx will match. Okay, and then only it will do the tag change. If this will change, if I will change something else, then it will not. So let example, I'll vi customization.yaml. So vi customization.yaml. So already here it is open. So I'll vi dpl. So I'm this changing this name to something else so that you can know means Nginx X. So this is not matched with this. This is matched with this. Okay. So it will perform. Okay. Now I'll escape WQ, control B, escape WQ. So I'll K apply hyphen F, sorry, K build K customization dot current. So here you will see this image changes to this. Okay. It is not matched with this. It is matched with this. Okay. Now let me change this to this. For example, I'll change here I. Okay, and here Nginx. So it will not perform anything because let's see demo. So here you will see that it is not perform anything because this Nginx is not matched. Okay, means if so here you will see customization that it should match with this, but here this is something else. So it doesn't have done nothing. So if it is here at the rate or some colon symbol is there, it will check in the name section and here it is change. It will change. So control B. Now I will perform the action. So K will customize dot and now so I will change here Nginx. Bye Ansh. So K customize. So here will change this is change. Now I can create so it will simply create it. Okay, so I'll want to delete it, so I will delete it. Okay, now second thing, I'll create one instead of deployment I'll create some other with the different thing. So I will create a stateful set with here it is a postgres. Okay, postgres and tag is 8. Okay, so we'll change that image to something else. So escape WQ and now I will write customization.yaml file or I will edit this customization.yaml file. I don't want deployment, I want state. And here in name is Postgres and new name is and third is new tag. Okay. Here I'm changing the new name. So Papa, you order a tomato. Ego? So here you will see that images change to this. Okay, if you want to see earlier image, so side by side, I'll just open. So here you will see this is the image, and if you'll see it is the image. Now I'll change third, demo third, control L, and I will change the image only. So I'll create a job YAML file. Here I want to change the image to some my image. Sorry, this demo to some my app. So save WQ and here I need to change. So I'll apply some customization resource error. So ls, so job is there. So cat job. So my demo one app. Okay. So vi customize.yaml. So sorry, here I need to mention image. WQ. Something is there. Here as I forgot. So here this is changed. If you will see here this my demo app is there and now here it is my app. Now fourth one will change this SHA value means it's a digest value. So I'll it's like a version only means it pick the that version. So I'll job2.yaml. I'll write Here the image is this Alpine 3.7. Now we'll convert it to SHA type of image. So we'll edit customization.yml file, and here I will insert a job too. And here my name is Sam. So here, okay, customize. So you will see here this is the image. So thank you so much for your love and support. In this way, we can do it. And we had not applied it, but you can simply apply it with the K apply F, and then we always created. So we have seen four things that change image tag, change image name, change name plus tag together, and replace tag with the digest. Okay. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in another tutorial.